What up, boys? I'm gonna be taste testing this Sweet Smiles Select Dark Chocolate Pistachio Bar. All right, so I'm gonna open this baby up. Freaking open you. God dang. Jesus Christ. Get out. God dang. All right. We got the fancy wrapping. Very nice. It almost looks like there's something printed there, but I don't think that's nothing. Anyway, gonna open this up, see how good this stuff looks. Gotta, come on now. Come on now. Come on now. Hold on. Alright, I got this thing open real good. I'm a, come on. Come on. Alright, I got it open. So dark I can't even tell. So dark the camera can't even see what that is. Focus. Focus. Alright, hold on. Bam. Focus. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Got like, what are you laughing at? Got some weird corn looking design on there. Wait. Ooh, wait, that's actually the cacao plant right there. That's actually what that is. Oh, god dang. This stuff's gonna be crunchity. I can tell from the whenever I break it. We got that's a cacao plant right there. All right, I'm gonna taste this real good. See how it tastes. It is a pistachio dark chocolate bar. So yeah. Okay. Oh, alright. Yeah, so it's good. Like I said, very crunchy. Yep. So it's pretty good. It's good. Very it's a very. I've tasted some dark chocolate that wasn't that good. This right here, this is definitely on the good side. So, pretty good. Nice little design there. Very crunchy. Very good, very crunchy. Very nice flavor. Yep. So I'd give this I'd give it a 7 normally, but due to the nice fanciness of the packaging, I'm gonna give it an 8. Very good. Has pistachios in it, so If you ever see this at a store, I definitely recommend you buying it. It's very good. Nice and crunchy. The flavor isn't too strong, but I don't really know how to explain it, but it's pretty good. So, 8 out of 10. Um, yeah. So, yeah. I guess I'll be seeing you later. Um, bye. I guess I don't freaking know. Just, it's good.